Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Garmin watch not receiving text notifications. If your Garmin watch isn't receiving text notifications, here's how to fix it. First, check your iPhone settings, go to Settings, Notifications, Messages, and make sure notifications are allowed and show previews is set to always. Next, in Bluetooth settings, tap the info icon next to your Garmin and enable share system notifications. Third, open Garmin Connect, head to Settings, and then Notifications, App Notifications, and ensure Message is turned on. Android users should also grant notification access for Garmin Connect. Finally, review your phone's notification permissions. On iOS, ensure Message is enabled in Notification Center, and on Android, disable battery optimization for Garmin Connect and allow it to run in the background. Follow the steps, and your Garmin should start displaying text alerts again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.